Okay, good evening, everybody. Thank you very much for coming. My name is Eva Pasco. I'm the co-chair of Cyber Salon. And today we're going to have a debate about surveillance and what's to be done. We have quite a few issues to cover today. Can you hear me? We have quite a few issues to cover today. As you know, Tim Berners-Lee has called for digital Bill of Rights, upon which the Liberal Party has jumped up to write digital Bill of Rights, but we know what the Liberal Party does. They say one thing and they do something else. So we're going to write our own. And today's debate is really to flesh out the issues, and I'm hoping that you can tweet and send questions as much as possible. I'm going to be representative of you tonight. We're going to try to crowdsource your feedback, your ideas, your solutions, and prepare the grounds for writing up a draft of the Digital Bill of Rights. So I'm just going to pass you over to Richard Barbrook, who's going to chair the debate today. Richard has wrote the seminal piece that we work from Californian ideology, and between both of us we probably have around 60 years of net experience, so you're in good hands.